When was the last time you received an email? Probably like 10 minutes ago, right? That's because you're on someone's email list. No matter if it's Amazon or some random guy named Jeff, they're making money off you. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start and build up your own email list so you can start monetizing it as well. So let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first, let me show you a couple of the most popular providers that you can work with to build an email list. The first one is going to be MailChimp. This is like the #1 that beginners work with. It has a lot of tools on here. As you can see, it say grow with the #1 email marketing and automations platform. This is not a stretch, them saying they're the #1, because they're amazing. This is the one I started out with 3-4 years ago. I did absolutely terrible with it because, I was a beginner. I had no idea how to build an email list. And the next email provider is GetResponse. This one I just started working with a few months ago, building up an email list for my website. As you can see right here, this is one of my landing forms I built out on here. So if someone clicks on it, they come to this page right here, put in their name, their email address, and boom, they sign up to my email address and get a free downloadable guide with it. This is what I created in here, which only took me like 30 minutes to create, and I've used it on my website and everything. Now it's a pop-up on my website. Let me just show you. So this is my website right here, and if they're scrolling, boom, right here, this is my pop-up form that I created with GetResponse, the email provider I just showed you. When they put their name, email in, submit it, I got a new subscriber to my email list, and they got some free online income guides. That's how easy it works getting an email. Well, not easy. It's actually pretty difficult to grow up an email list, but we'll get into that later. So yeah, that's just one way you can use forms to grow up your email list using GetResponse. Okay, my last recommendation when it comes to email list providers is going to be ConvertKit. This is one of my favorites as well. I use this one right now too. They're amazing. I like them. I like all the ones that I said, but I really like this one. This one is nice right here. I use it for my social media content and a couple more of my websites for, pop-up forms and growing up an email list. So let me show you around this one a little bit. So right here is just the dashboard where you can see everything that you need. Like you can browse all your subscribers, customize different landing page and forms. So, you can customize that to get people to sign up. They come to your email thing and, you got, you sign up right here. You get a free drop shipping guide or a discount or something, or a free affiliate marketing guide, or a free cleaning guide, or whatever your niche is. You just want to give out something to them. Then you can broadcast and send to all your emails to your email list, or segment it off. You want to segment it or automate it. You can easily automate different things with this and learn if you want to, come over here to the community, creator universe, or documentation. If you want to learn a little bit more about ConvertKit. So I just wanted to show you, the basic ones that you can use, which is MailChimp again, GetResponse, and ConvertKit. These are I used all three of them, and they are some of my favorite to work with, and I highly recommend you do the same. Okay, one thing I do want to say about email lists, this is not like social media. It ain't no such thing as creating content and you just grow automatically, because they're not, when you build an email list, they're not getting people for you. You got to go out some way, somehow, and get the people yourself. So let me show you exactly how you can start growing it up and how I did the same one with a couple of mine. So first, before you get into trying to grow anything, you need something to give out to people, because they don't want to just come to your email and you just like, subscribe to my email list, subscribe. They get nothing in return. So you got to be offering an ebook, a discount, a guide, something for them to put that in. And if you don't have nothing to give out for free, don't worry. You can go to canva.com, sign up, and create an ebook for your niche for completely free. No matter if you're in the cleaning niche, the drop shipping niche, the cooking niche, whatever niche you in, you just give out some of your information that you have in your head, put it down on an ebook, and just start handing it out on your landing form for your email page. So on Canva, just come up to create a design, you can just hit ebook, and then boom, right here, as you can see, is different templates. So like, let's say you wanted to use this one, the A to Z of Business by Derek Ford. You can customize this, of course. I'm pretty sure your name is not Derek Ford, so I'm gonna put in my name, Ron, not Rue, Ron Dre Silk. And then let's say the A to Z of affiliate marketing. Let's just do that. Make it this a little, you can customize it however you want. Like I said, make this a little smaller so it can fit in this black space. Maybe capitalize the A and the M. And then boom, right there, that easy. Took us like 20 seconds to customize the front page, and now you just add in another page get some text right here, add in your text, and now just move this heading above and have a title for the page. Let's say this title is why affiliate marketing, and maybe underline it, and then boom, and then add in some subheadings and then explain why should you start affiliate marketing, and then you can add in as many pages you want, explaining however much you want on this ebook. And that easy, that's how you can start your ebook in whatever niche you are in. And then once you're done, you just want to come up here and hit share, and right here where it say public view link, this is what you want to copy, and then hit create public view link. And now you can hit copy, and then let's come over to Google and paste that in. Once we paste that in, boom, people will be taken to this page, our ebook, and they can read all about it, and they can't customize it or anything because they don't have permission to. And you see how easy it is to make an ebook. And I mean, of course, you want to fill it with more pages. This is just just something to show you how easy it is to do. But once you're done with your ebook, now you can move on to social media, or Facebook groups, blogs, or whatever you want to use to grow up your email list. So let's say you wanted to use Instagram or something like that. Of course, I'm not saying you have to go out and film like, hey, TikTok or Instagram, and make some content or anything showing your face if you're not comfortable with that. But you do have to pick something, if you're not comfortable with that. You can easily do like this business growth mentor. This guy is not showing his face. Woman explains why buying Gucci and Louis Vuitton is a waste of money. And I'm pretty sure it's just a random video of some woman explaining why buying Louis Vuitton and Gucci is a waste of money, and this is not, I guarantee you this is not the guy who built this page. So you can easily do something like that, or just create posts like this. If you have made money on Instagram, leave some advice. If you're still working on it, ask a question. You ain't got to show your face, just a simple quote like that. Or like I said, if you do want to make content, if you're comfortable with that, you can do something like this. But just make sure if you're on social media, you know exactly how you're going to use the platform to grow your email list. If you want to make content, of course, it's going to be different depending on your niche. Like it's different from trying to grow in the cooking niche versus like drop shipping niche. Another solid way to grow up your email list is by just using Facebook groups. Facebook groups it's amazing. It's amazing way to grow your email list because you can get a targeted audience in here. So let's say you have a group about starting online incomes. You can invite anyone that's interested in that. And let's say you got the affiliate marketing guide now, which is an online income. You can have people sign up to your email list, be like, hey, if y'all want a free ebook guide, just click this link right here, which is the link for your email list. And once they click it, put in their information and everything, and then boom, they get the free ebook and they're in your email list now. So using Facebook groups is a great way to build up a list no matter what niche you're in, because Facebook has a lot of groups. Like let's say you like books, like book club, book lovers, book group, and they still got 43K members. Books, promote your books, 33K members. Just books, nothing with it, just books, 66K members. You could easily join these groups and be like, hey, if you like books, I have a top 10 books recommendation for fiction, or something like that, something around books. You get in here and see something like, oh cool, I would love something like that. Your email list is attached to it, and boom, new subscriber to your email list. Another great way to grow is through a blog. If you want to start a blog or have a blog already, you can easily link in a link to your email list so they can subscribe, because this is what I do on this blog right here. So if you just come to one of my blog posts, 27 unique blog post ideas for your lifestyle blog, and they're reading, and they get down here and right here down below. If you want a full breakdown how to properly start your next income, you can do so by clicking here. Once they click here, boom, this is my landing page for my email list, and they put in their name, their email address, and then boom, they hit get, and they get their free guide. So like I said, if you're doing a blog, you can easily just paste in a link to your email list, and they can get their free ebook or free guide or whatever you're giving out. Another great way to grow is by using LinkedIn. If you're not on LinkedIn, what are you doing? What are you doing? LinkedIn is amazing. This is an amazing place to network with new people, grow blogs, grow businesses. If you're business minded or want to grow anything, you need to be on this platform, because this isn't just a social media platform. This is a business social media platform, which is a huge difference between, stuff like Facebook, Instagram, and especially TikTok. So if you're not on LinkedIn, go sign up like now. But LinkedIn is a great way you can grow because, like I said, if you're anything in the business niche, anywhere, anything from affiliate marketing, drop shipping, social media creation, lead generation, anything, you need to be on LinkedIn because I go have a blog on here, this one right here, Webstart Ventures, and let's go to one of my blogs. So right here is one of my posts, and in every 180 articles, when you scroll down, just like on my website, and click here, if you want a full breakdown how to properly start your next online income, click here. They click here. Boom, here it is again, my email landing page where they put in their name and email address. So like, as you can see, there's quite a few ways you can grow up your email list. You just have to put in the work because, like I said, this is not easy. This is no cupcake walk, I might have showed you a few methods. I don't want you to be in your head thinking, oh, this is going to be easy and everything. Because don't get me wrong, it's amazing growing up an email list because most people don't change their email list for 10 years. So think about that. If you get someone on your email list, you could potentially have them for around 10 years. That's why it's a huge benefit for emails. And here's another example, like this right here is TikTok, of course, and right here, once somebody come to my profile helping you start your online incomes, click below for your free guides, because you can promote like, oh, I have free guides right here to get people to your email list, because they click on this and then they have their choice. If you want a free affiliate marketing guide or a free dropshipping guide, boom, you click here, and then right here, join for daily tips and your dropshipping guide. When first starting dropshipping, it can be tough, what to do and all of that. Then they put this in right here, and just like that, they're subscribed to the email list. So I would say it take anywhere from like 5 to 8 months just to get 500 email subscribers. So just have that in mind as a number. Okay, it might be month 4 and you only got like 349 or something and think you're doing terrible, but you're really not. You're doing fine. So just make sure you're taking the time and effort to build up whatever platform you pick to grow. And one more thing, let's say your niche doesn't really call for like ebooks or guides. You don't want to, or you just don't want to make them. You can give out discounts even if you don't have a product. So what I mean by this right here is Skillshare. I can have this link right here, and you can start free 7 days of limited classes. So you can advertise this as basically get a week of free classes. If you're in the cooking niche, script writing niche, they have a lot of high quality courses on Skillshare, so you can check this out, and you can look up different brands in your niche to see what type of discounts they can give out too, so you can advertise that as well. It's a lot of ways you can go about this, but some of the main ones is ebooks, guides, and discounts. So those are the 3 ways you can build your email list, just by offering one of those as an incentive to get people in there. So yeah, these are some of the most popular ways you can grow up your email list. So just pick one. I would say stick with one at first till you get really good with one of them. Then you can move on to other ones. But yeah, just take, I would say, just a whole year building up one platform. And then I guarantee you, if you take that year, you're going to have at least bare minimum over 1,000 email subscribers. Okay, and that right there is the different platforms and the different email providers that you can use to build up your email list. So I hope you're on your journey to creating a high quality email list that readers come to love and look forward to reading. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you good luck in your online income journey. And until next time.